first experience, while going through chemotherapy, the doctors don't normally allow you to take supplements. Kasi nga, kontra yon sa medicine. Diba? But, naughty ako. And I was desperate. And I believed that what I researched about so much that I decided I would continue to take my barley every day kahit hindi alam ng mga doctors ko. And by God's grace, from nearly not being able to recover soon enough for my next chemo, on my second cycle, 4 days pa lang, fully recovered na ako. The doctors also told me, this is my second experience, that my period would completely stop. Imagine 31 years old pa lang ako. It would stop forever daw because isa daw yun sa permanent side effects ng chemotherapy. Instant menopause. Imagine that ringing in my ears. So I prayed so hard and I believed I would be blessed with another child. Imagine from being completely in menopause. After 2 years, my system corrected itself and my period came back. I am a 23-year-old breast cancer survivor now. Jesus allowed my pain to become my purpose, which is why I'm standing in front of all of you today. Tulad ng sabi sa Romans 8:28, all things work together for good for those who love God and are called according to His purpose. From then to now, I take my barley every single day. I made it my goal to bring it to the Philippines and turn it into a household name na sana madaming matulungan at mabago ang buhay by giving a second chance just like what was given to me. I believe that it helped save my life and that it has given me an even better second life. Ang nag-iisang barley na tumulong sa akin at ngayon sa marami pang ibang tao na gumaling at nakapagbago ng madaming buhay. It is not enough to be healed. You must help others heal. It is not enough for your life to be uplifted. It is your obligation to teach, help, and show everyone around you how to help themselves also so that their lives will also become better. I am Maritoni Fernandez. I am Diamond. I am your one and only Barley Queen. And I am worldwide. Salamat, and to God be all the glory. God bless you.